In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix page URL in Wix. If you need to update the URL for one of your pages in Wix, the good news is that the process is very simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the page settings and how to edit the page URL correctly. To get started, go to your Wix site editor. Make sure you're inside the Edit Site view, because that's where you'll have access to your page controls and settings. Once you're in the editor, look to the top left area of the screen and open the Pages panel by clicking on the Page menu there. This panel gives you a list of the pages that are currently part of your website. After the Pages panel opens, find the specific page whose URL you want to fix. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct page, especially if your site has several pages with similar names. When you've found the right one, move your cursor over that page. As you hover over it, you should see a three-dot icon appear. Click that icon to open more options for that page. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This will open the settings for that specific page, where you can manage details related to how the page appears and functions on your site. Inside the Settings window, look for the Page URL section. This is the area that controls the ending part of that page's web address. Click on the Page URL field to edit it, then type in the corrected version of the URL you want to use. As you do this, keep the URL clear, simple, and easy to read. In most cases, it's best to use short words that match the page topic so the link stays clean and user-friendly. Once you've updated the page URL, that's it. Your page URL has been fixed. One quick tip before you finish. After making changes like this, it's always a good idea to review the updated URL carefully to make sure there are no typing mistakes. A small error in the URL can make the page look unprofessional or harder to share. And that's how to fix a page URL in Wix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.